Welcome to this hands-on session on fine-tuning retrieval and generation models within a Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) framework. In today's module, we'll explore how to fine-tune both the retrieval and generative components, ensuring they align closely with domain-specific tasks and produce more accurate, tailored outputs. By the end of this session, you'll understand the step-by-step process required to fine-tune embedding models for retrieval and adjust generative models for improved text synthesis. This approach will empower you to unlock the full potential of RAG pipelines for specialized applications. Let's dive in. Why fine-tuning is crucial. Out-of-the-box retrieval and generative models are powerful, but they often lack the specificity required for niche domains. Fine-tuning allows you to adapt these models to better understand domain-specific language, datasets, and patterns, resulting in higher accuracy, improved contextual relevance, and more meaningful responses. For instance, a legal assistant AI benefits significantly from fine-tuning on case law documents, enabling it to extract relevant clauses or summarize precedents. Similarly, a medical AI improves when trained on clinical research papers, helping it provide precise insights into diagnoses or treatments. Fine-tuning ensures that the AI delivers results that meet the nuanced needs of these specialized fields, making it a crucial step in any domain-specific deployment. Step 1. Fine-tuning the retrieval model. The first step in enhancing the RAG pipeline is to fine-tune the retrieval model, which is responsible for indexing documents and conducting similarity searches to fetch relevant results efficiently. Prepare domain-specific data. Gather a comprehensive collection of domain-specific documents, e.g., legal texts, scientific articles, technical manuals. A diverse and well-curated dataset ensures higher retrieval accuracy and robustness. Embedding refinement. To further enhance the model's understanding of domain-specific language, use embeddings tailored to your field, such as BioBERT for medical tasks or LegalBERT for legal tasks. This step replaces generic embeddings, ensuring the retrieval model comprehends specialized terminologies and concepts. Step 2. Fine-tuning the generative model. The next step involves fine-tuning the text generation model to produce more accurate, context-aware outputs aligned with domain-specific requirements. Select a pre-trained model. Choose a generative model that aligns with your task. Models like BART, GPT, or T5 are popular choices due to their versatility. Start by loading the pre-trained version as a baseline for fine-tuning. Prepare fine-tuning data. Format your training data in a question-answer or summarization format. This structured format helps the model learn to generate precise and concise responses. Use domain-specific datasets, such as Squad for Q&A or CNN Daily Mail for summarization tasks, and refine them for your application. Integrating fine-tuned models into RAG. Once both models are fine-tuned, integrate them into the existing RAG pipeline to create a cohesive system capable of retrieving and generating domain-specific responses with precision. Testing and optimization. Test the pipeline with a wide range of queries to evaluate its performance. Experiment with parameters such as the number of retrieved documents, K, and the maximum token length during generation to optimize results. Monitor for overfitting by comparing performance on unseen datasets, ensuring the pipeline generalizes well across various scenarios. Real-world application. Imagine fine-tuning a RAG model to summarize financial reports. By training on thousands of annual reports, balance sheets, and industry-specific documents, the model can generate concise, insightful summaries tailored to specific business needs. This approach can be replicated across other fields like legal document summarization, scientific literature reviews, or medical diagnosis assistance, making fine-tuning a versatile and impactful tool. Fine-tuning retrieval and generation models unlocks the full potential of RAG pipelines. By customizing models for specific domains, we improve accuracy, reduce hallucination, and enhance user trust. Fine-tuning is the bridge that connects generic AI capabilities to the unique demands of real-world applications. Thank you for joining this session. In the next module, we'll explore data integration and optimization. See you there.